Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share this devotional with all of you. The devotional that we have for today is called Moving Forward with Intention. And the text is in the book of Psalm, chapter 37, verse 5. And it says, "Commit your ways to the Lord. Trust in Him, and He will act." Today, I'm going to speak according to my traditional belief, based on Army Regulation 165-1, and based on my endorsement. But at the same time, you can use this devotional to apply it based on your traditional belief. So the question that we're going to ask is, we're going to answer is, what do you need to do to move forward with intention? And the number one is commitment. If there's something very important that you need to do to reach your goal, is commitment. Commitment with your family, commitment with your wife, commitment at work, commitment here in the Army. You made a commitment that started for most of you in January, and it's going to end in the graduation in April 16. So commitment is very important, but based on my traditional beliefs, the best commitment a person can do is to have a strong relationship with God, the creator of heaven and earth. And we have the number two, that is trust. If you want to reach your commitment, you gotta trust in what you're gonna do to reach your goals. So what is the goals that you have for your life? So trust is very important. But remember, trusting in yourself sometimes can make you fail. That's why it's very important that based on my traditional belief, I trust in God that can help me to reach my goals. Number three, we have release. I know that for many of you, there's something inside, probably anxiety and any negative problem in your life or in your mind that probably you're struggling right now. But it's the best moment to release everything from the inside and let it go, and then leave it empty so you can be prepared to reach your goals. In my traditional belief, we let that the Holy Spirit come inside our heart and help us to get the right direction. And number four, we have perseverance. There is something very important for reaching a goal, and it's perseverance with me. Don't give up. I know that there are many obstacles. I know that there are many things that you have to keep going. Sometimes in PT, in different conditions, but you have to keep going. Never give up. I know the way sometimes is hard. There's a lot of hardship, but you have to keep going. And number five, we have trust. Hope. Something very important for reaching your goal is hope. Many people say that the last thing that a person can lose is hope. And that's why that you have to keep going. I know that probably your family is waiting for you. Probably you have kids that maybe they're sick or any family matters, but you have to keep the hope within your family and you that you're going to graduate on April 16. So, there are 5 steps, and with this we answer the question, that what do you need to do to keep moving forward? So, commitment, trust, release, perseverance, and hope. And I want to end with the text that I said at the beginning. Commit your ways to the Lord. Trust in Him, and He will